Animals commonly found living in coral reefs. Starfish. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are fascinating marine creatures that captivate us with their unique appearance. With their radial symmetry and tube feet, they gracefully navigate the ocean floor. Starfish exhibit regenerative abilities, regrowing limbs when damaged. They play important ecological roles, controlling populations of mollusks and other invertebrates. Their striking beauty and remarkable adaptations make them a mesmerizing part of the underwater world.